to make our pages, we need the 6 pieces that are 9 inches by 1 inch, and we are going to score these 6 at 1/2 inch on the inch side. Okay, I've got my pages next to me. Those don't need any sort of formal prepping at all. What we do need to do here is we need to prep the hinges. So these are going to be our hinges. They're going to join the 2 pages together, and we're going to tape I hate to do the sticks too soon. Almost like there's static on this. So we're going to attach double-sided tape on either side of the score line. Don't go over the score line because it will stick out of the top of your page. So we're going to do all 6. Definitely static with the plastic release paper on these. Okay, then I'm only going to do 3 of them for now, but you're going to do all 6. I just don't want to bore you with this process. And then I will show you what needs to be done next, and I'll do the balance off camera. So you're going to fold these on the score line. Okay, so you're folding them so that your double-sided tape is to the outside. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick up your scissors and you're going to miter. So you're mitering to make it look like that. So all 6 of them. And to be honest with you, I cut them down a little bit. So although they were 9 inches to start, they're going to be ever so slightly smaller than 9 inches at the point. Okay. So I'm just going to pause the video while I do the other 3, because you're going to land up with 6 of those. Okay, so I've got all 6 prepped, and then I just want to show you this one. I didn't quite get level. I think you can see, I can't see because I've got my glasses on. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I've got a little bit of tape sticking out there. So what I always tell the ladies is make sure that before you start doing all your prep work and your sticking and whatever, that you've neatened everything up. So for instance, this one, I'm just taking that little excess piece off, because otherwise it's going to stick your pages together, and we don't want that. Yo, the stuff is sticky. Still got a little bit there. Okay, so that's all prepped, ready to go.